In this session, let's focus to what is the exact difference between the executable file and a non-executable file, means library file. So first of all, extension. So executable files contains the d.exe file extension and library files contains the .dll extension. And executable file, it can directly run. I mean, just we have seen that, right? In the notepad.exe file and chrome.exe file. And so if you execute the file directly, then we can say that is the executable file. And library files, those are not executed directly. Okay, so always library files supports the exe file. Okay, and what is the main purpose of this executable files? In a sense, we use the executable file as the entry point of the application. Okay, so which is useful for to start the your application by using the exe file. And library file, which contains the application related reusable functionality. And if you come to the dependency, exe file may use the library files. And library files which are used by the executable or to the other libraries. I mean, a library file .dll file can depend upon the either .exe file or .dll file. And coming to the entry point of the exe file, generally we use the main thread for entry point of the executable file. And library files doesn't contain the any main methods. And if you take the example of the exe file, you can say notepad.exe file, which is the shortcut file. So by using that directly we can open the notepad file, whereas the system.dll file, generally we can find out this system.dll file in the C# application, where we can see this dll file under the references folder, which is useful for to support the application. So in this way we can understand what is the difference between the executable file and a library file.